Managing plugins in WordPress. This tutorial will show you how to manage plugins in WordPress. Click the Plugins section. There are a variety of plugins that are available to download and install that extend the functionality of WordPress. Additional plugins can be found at By default, WordPress comes with 2 plugins installed, which can be activated from this window. Let's download and install a new one. Click the WordPress plugin directory link. If you're looking for a particular plugin that is not listed, use the search field to try to find it. Let's download and install the WP Supercache plugin. WP Supercache is a plugin that improves performance of the site by generating static HTML pages for highly visited pages. Check the documentation included with each plugin for how to configure and use the plugin. The documentation should be included in the archive when you downloaded it. Click the Download button. Click the Save button. Click the Save button. Click the Close button when the transfer has finished. Next, we will upload the archive to the server and extract the files. For this demonstration, we will be using the File Manager in cPanel to upload and extract the contents of the compressed archive we downloaded that contains the software. The files can also be uncompressed locally and loaded via FTP. Click the Upload button. Click the Browse button. Click the file. Click the Open button. Click the Back to link. Now let's find the file and extract its contents. Here it is. Click the icon to select it. Click the Extract icon. Enter the location where the files will be extracted. This will be the directory where you installed WordPress with wp/plugins/ appended to the end of it. Click the Extract Files button. Click the Close button. Now let's go back to the Plugin Manager. Refresh the page. If we wanted to modify the plugin or needed to edit it for some other reason, there is a link to edit it directly from WordPress. Editing plugins requires editing PHP code. It is strongly recommended that you only attempt to edit the code if you have the PHP programming skills or specific knowledge of what edits you need to make. Now let's activate it. Click the checkbox. Select Activate from the menu. Click the Apply button. Now let's deactivate the plug-in. Click the checkbox. Select Deactivate from the menu. Click the Apply button. Next, let's delete a plugin we won't want to activate in the future. Click the checkbox. Select Delete from the menu. Click the Apply button. Click the Yes, delete these files button. WordPress also keeps a list of the inactive plugins that were active within the last 7 days. Let's clear the list. Click the Clear List button. Congratulations! You now know how to manage plugins in WordPress.